Assalamu alaikum, my dear video viewers. Welcome back to my another English speaking video, English with Mamun. Today I have come in my paddy field because I have been giving some insect medicine in my paddy field. That's why today I have come side by side. When I was working in my paddy field, that time I have think I will make English video. That's why now I have come in this place and I see my younger brother. He is sitting down under tree. That's why I have think I will make video with him. That's why I am making my English content with him. It is very important for me. By me, this is my younger brother. Now I will ask him some question. I hope he will give me good answer. Hello, brother.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam. How are you?
I am fine. And you?
I'm pretty great by the grace of Almighty Allah. What's your full name?
My full name is MD Hassan bin Qais.
Oh, I see. Hassan bin Qais. Everyone called him Hassan. If you want, you can call him Hassan because it's her nickname. What class do you read?
I read in honors second year accounting department.
Oh, I see. Accounting, it is so hard subject for us, for our students, because accounting subject is so hard. I can't this subject properly. What is your father name?
My father name is MD Abdul Mannan.
Oh, I see. So nice, so nice. What is your village name?
My village name is Patilapur.
I see. His village name Patilapur,
Yes.
as well as my village name is Patilapur.
Yes.
We was born in our village. That's why I love our village. It's located our Kurigram district at Ulipur Upazila, and I tell you, our village not rich than other village. That's why we always hard working in our field to reach in our village. That's why we are hard working in our field, and we are hard working in our fertilizer shop. It is so amazing for me. Hello, brother.
Hello.
What is your future plan?
My future plan is good teacher in English.
Oh, I see English. He will be a good teacher future. I hope, and I will suggest you if you
Yes.
want to learn English and if you want to be a good teacher in your village. First of all, you have to practice your English every single day.
Yes.
Side by side, when you will be free, you try to listen English speaking video on your Facebook page or your other site. It doesn't matter. You have to listening English speaking video on YouTube. When you will hear English, when you will listen English speaking video, you will improve your speaking skill quickly, and you will remember there is no easy way to learn English. That's why you work hard. When you will be free, you work hard in your house or you work hard in your field. It doesn't matter. If you want, you can practice your English every single day. Okay, brother.
Yes.
What is your district name?
My DC name is Kurigram.
Oh, I see. His district name is Kurigram, as well as my district name is Kurigram, and we were born in our Kurigram district. That's why I love our home district Kurigram. Side by side, we are staying in our field. As you can see behind me, there are different kinds of paddy field in this place. As far as you know, paddy is staple food in our Bangladesh. That's why every person in this season, they always cultivate paddy and they always hard work in their field. Brother,
Hello.
what is your hobby?
My hobby is play football.
Oh, I see. Play football is very important, and football is very important play in our Bangladesh. That's why he always like football. When I want to share with you, when I was a little boy, maybe I used to study class 9 and 10. That time I used to play football with him, with my younger brother, with my elder brother. That's why at present I love play football. See you next video. The video is getting longer. I don't want to make it more longer. Best luck for everyone.
Thanks for watching this video.
Allah Hafiz.